In this video, I will guide you how you can download Hamster Kombat application. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. First of all, you're gonna need to simply open up your App Store or Play Store and simply search for Telegram onto your device. Once you search for this, you're just gonna need to make sure to download the official Telegram messenger and simply open it up. Once you are in, you're just going to need to sign in with your phone number, and once you have signed in, you just need to simply click on the search icon and search for Hamster Kombat. So this is how you need to search for it, hamster combat bot, and simply make sure to go with the verified Hamster Kombat channel. Then you're gonna simply click on the play button, and you just need to click on this play button, and this will gonna open up this particular window where, as you can see, we have successfully logged into Hamster Kombat, which you can now tap and earn coins, and you can then click on the airdrop to connect your wallet and do a lot of stuff. So that's the way of how you can download Hamster Kombat.